Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon is one of the most dangerous reptiles in the world and the largest living lizard today. It lives in Indonesia and can grow more than 10 feet long with a strong muscular body made for hunting. This giant predator has sharp claws, powerful jaws, rough skin, and a heavy tail that helps during attacks. Komodo dragon is famous for its deadly bite, which contains venom that causes heavy bleeding and weakens prey very quickly. It hunts animals like deer, wild boars, goats, and even water buffalo. Instead of attacking immediately, it often waits quietly, follows its target carefully, and attacks with sudden speed and force. Even though it looks slow, it can run fast for short distances and attack very aggressively. Young Komodo dragons can climb trees, while adults become powerful ground hunters with very few natural enemies. Its giant size, deadly bite, and aggressive hunting style make it look like a real-life prehistoric monster. Because of its strength and hunting ability, the Komodo dragon is known as one of nature's most terrifying predators. Saber-toothed tiger was one of the deadliest predators of the Ice Age. It was famous for its massive curved teeth that could grow over 11 inches long. This prehistoric hunter had a strong muscular body, powerful front legs, and sharp claws made for killing large animals. It hunted prey like deer, horses, bison, and young mammoths using surprise attacks instead of long chases. The saber-toothed tiger would hide quietly, then attack with sudden speed and force. Its long teeth were used to bite the neck and throat, causing deadly injuries very quickly. Even though it looked similar to a modern tiger, it was a different type of prehistoric cat with its own hunting style. This predator lived in forests and grasslands, where it ruled as a top hunter with very few enemies. Fossils found by scientists show how powerful and dangerous this animal was. Its giant teeth, strong body, and deadly attacks made it one of the most feared creatures of prehistoric times. Because of its terrifying appearance and powerful hunting skills, the saber-toothed tiger is still known today as one of the most dangerous predators to ever exist on Earth. Zebra is a wild animal found in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. It is famous for its black and white stripes, which make it one of the most unique animals in the world. These stripes are not only for looks, but also help in survival, because when zebras move in a group, their stripes create a confusing pattern that makes it difficult for predators like lions to focus on one target. Zebra is a herbivore, meaning it eats grass, leaves, and plants, and it spends most of its time grazing and moving in search of food and water. Zebras live in groups called herds, and this social life helps them stay safe from danger. Each zebra has a different stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints, which makes every zebra special. They are fast runners and can escape predators using speed and strong stamina. If needed, zebras can defend themselves with powerful kicks that can seriously injure attackers. They also communicate with sounds, body movements, and facial expressions to stay connected with their herd. Zebras are always alert because danger can come at any time in the wild. During dry seasons, they migrate long distances to find fresh grass and water. Overall, the zebra is a symbol of strength, teamwork, and survival in nature, making it one of the most interesting and famous animals in the animal kingdom. Giant squid. Giant squid is a deep-sea creature that lives in the darkest and deepest parts of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches. It is one of the largest invertebrates in the world, with a long, soft body, 8 arms, and 2 long tentacles used for catching food. It feeds on fish and other small sea animals by grabbing them with strong suction cups. The giant squid is perfectly adapted for deep ocean life, where pressure is extremely high and temperatures are very cold. It has very large eyes that help it see in the dark water. It can move slowly, but when it feels danger, it can swim quickly to escape predators. One of its defense methods is releasing dark ink to confuse enemies. Giant squid are very rare to see, so most of their life is still not fully known by scientists. They are part of the ocean food chain and can also become prey of large whales like sperm whales. They usually live alone in deep water and rarely come near the surface. Their size can be very large, sometimes over 10 meters long, which makes them one of the most powerful sea creatures. Scientists study them to understand the mysteries of deep ocean life and how animals survive in extreme conditions. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is one of the most famous and powerful dinosaurs of the prehistoric world. It lived millions of years ago during the Cretaceous period and is known as one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs ever discovered. Unlike most big predators, Spinosaurus spent a lot of time near rivers and water instead of only land. It had a long crocodile-like face, sharp teeth, and strong jaws that helped it catch fish and other water animals. This makes it different from other dinosaurs like T-Rex, which mainly hunted on land. Spinosaurus also had a tall sail on its back made of long spine bones. Scientists think this sail may have helped it control body heat or attract other dinosaurs, but its exact purpose is still not fully confirmed. It had strong arms with sharp claws that helped it grab prey easily. Its long body and special tail show that it was also a strong swimmer, which makes it one of the first known semi-aquatic dinosaurs. It lived in swampy river areas where food like fish was easy to find. Because of its unusual shape and hunting style, Spinosaurus is very popular in documentaries, movies, and viral videos today. It is often called a river monster because of its powerful look and water hunting ability. Scientists are still studying its fossils to understand how it moved, hunted, and survived. Spinosaurus remains one of the most interesting and unique dinosaurs in history, showing how diverse and strange prehistoric life was on Earth. Dire wolf. Dire wolf was a powerful ice age predator that lived thousands of years ago in cold, frozen environments where giant animals roamed. It was bigger and stronger than today's wolves, with a heavy body, strong legs, sharp teeth, and a very powerful bite that could crush bones. Dire wolves were pack hunters, meaning they hunted in groups and used teamwork to take down large prey like bison and horses, making them extremely dangerous and effective hunters. They communicated through howls and body signals to coordinate attacks, and their thick fur helped them survive harsh freezing temperatures. Fossils show they lived mainly in North and South America, and they went extinct at the end of the Ice Age due to climate change and loss of food sources. Today, the dire wolf is remembered as a symbol of strength, survival, and the wild power of prehistoric nature. Megalodon was the largest and most powerful shark that ever existed on Earth, living millions of years ago in ancient oceans and known as the king of the sea. It was far bigger than today's great white shark, possibly. Reach ING over 1.5 meters in length with massive jaws filled with huge, razor-sharp teeth built to crush bones and tear through large sea animals like whales. As a top ocean predator, nothing could easily challenge it, and it dominated marine life with extreme strength and size, hunting in deep, warm waters. Its bite force was one of the strongest ever recorded in animal history, powerful enough to break thick whale bones instantly. Scientists believe Megalodon became extinct millions of years ago due to climate change, reduced food supply, and competition with other predators. Even after extinction, it remains one of the most famous and feared creatures in history, often shown in documentaries and movies as a symbol of ancient ocean power and unstoppable natural strength.